the wonderful world of smoothies, there are so many different variations, and this one is pretty good. It's a combination of cashew nuts, mango and avocado. So I've always got a stash of mango and avocado in the freezer for these smoothies because you want it to be really, really cold. When using your blender, you need to start with the liquids. So we've got some yogurt, and I'm using Greek style yogurt, 2 tablespoons straight into our jug. To this, I will add some milk. You can use any nut milk you like. I'm using some almond milk. And to sweeten this up, some banana. Now, you can add some honey if you like, but if your bananas are really ripe, then you shouldn't need extra sugar. So in with the bananas, just break it up. For a bit of protein and to thicken it up, some cashew nuts and our mango pieces. This will also give it a lovely sweetness. And to make this really smooth, some avocado. Okay, a few more ingredients. I want this to be really green, so some spinach, a few handfuls of that, and for a zing, some lime. Squeeze that in, and we can blend this up until it's really smooth. All right, our smoothie is done, and just have a look at how silky smooth and thick that is. That is what I crave in the morning. Something that's full of goodness and also tastes really good. That will keep you full for ages. The green smoothie full of avocado, mango, lime, and cashew nuts.